it's virtually a jump for him from Marathi to Hindi to make Gaur Hari Dastan. Well, I would say that my existence is a miracle because the kind of cinema I want to make, it's not easy to convince producers that this is where I want to go. This is where I want my thinking to go. And in fact, the next films that I'm planning are much more difficult in that sense to convince producers. But I think now there is no turning back for me. I've had my share of what I would say the pomp and the splendor, the stars and the music and all the mainstream stuff. I've done that in Dil Vil Pyar Vyar, Dil Mange More, Aksar, Agar. I've done it all. Finally, I want to make cinema the way it should be. And the cinema that I taught myself, watching all the great masters of the world, whether it was European, Asian, Indian, or even to a certain extent American. So, for me, it's a do or die situation now. For me, it's going to be a very uncompromising situation because this is definitely the kind of cinema I want to do, and God help me.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, sir. Vijay Shankar here. Here, right here.
Sorry, yeah, I'll just come to you, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. How are you? It's nice to see you after a long time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, when did you first see the article about Gaur Hari? And then what were the difficulties and how is he different from, other freedom fighters like?
See, when I read the story about a man being denied his past, denied the truth that he lived, I went across and met him. There was this journalist Sudhir Suryavanshi who had written this article. And through him I met Gaur Hari Das, and the man was very simple, very unassuming. He was a very frail person, he still is. And the first question he asked me is, why do you want to make a film on me? And like all directors, I said, because I want to. And directors, I believe, get what they want. So finally we ended up convincing him. And the man had a lot to say. He had a great past, he had a great history. He was the man who he was the boy who used to collect funds for Gandhiji in his Vanar Sena. He eventually turned out to be the man who taught Morarji Desai how to spin the charkha. He had a very, very checkered past. And it was difficult for us to put all the important events in his life together. It turned out to be a 9-hour film. And all we have is 1 hour and 50 minutes with us. So we had to condense that into a very, very striking screenplay, a screenplay that made people sit up, think, a screenplay that moved people probably into action after they see the film. It was tough because all that he gave us was a box file of letters that he wrote to the government and the government's replies to him. That's why it's called the Freedom File. The whole screenplay was coined out of a box of letters.
Can I ask Vinay, please? Vinay, hi.
Namaste.
How challenging was it for you? Because it's a very serious role, whereas you are known for your light-hearted films. So tell us about your journey through this film.
Yeah, it was very challenging shaving my head and looking at myself in the mirror every day. And I think after that it was easy.
Any kind of homework that went into it, the research?
I would go and meet Dasji at least once a week, and he trained me. And C.P. Surendran wrote the fantastic script, and Anantji was there to guide me. And jokes apart, I think it was the prep that we went through. We read the script a few times. And I get this question asked many times, how difficult it is to do a serious role. Obviously, because you don't think I can do a serious role. Because as you said, I made a mess of a serious question. right here. So yes, it was very difficult. Thank you.
Anand, yeah.
Yeah, Pannu, yeah.
पहले जब कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनती थी तो उनके ऊपर इल्जाम लगता था कि वो देश की गरीबी को बेचते हैं. दे आर सेलिंग पॉवर्टी ऑफ इंडिया टू द फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स. कहीं आप पे इल्जाम नहीं लगा कि आप देश के करप्शन और गवर्नमेंट के लिथार्जिक एटीट्यूड को बेच रहे हैं?
नहीं, जो बिके हुए हैं उसको कैसे बेचेंगे? सच बहुत कड़वा होता है, नहीं? और सच ये है कि आप लोगों को करप्शन पसंद नहीं आया, हम लोगों को एक गवर्नमेंट का एक तरीका पसंद नहीं आया, इसीलिए वी वोटेड देम आउट. पूरी दुनिया देख रही थी. अगर हमें सब कुछ छुपाना था कि दुनिया से कि हम बिल्कुल करप्ट नहीं है, तो वी वुड हैव वोटेड द सेम गवर्नमेंट बैक.
अच्छा, इससे पहले सेंसर के नाते आपको गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट से नाता आपको जो वास्ता पड़ता होगा. इस फिल्म के बाद गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स के बारे में आपका क्या कहना होगा?
I hope the working of the bureaucracy changes. मैं उम्मीद रखता हूं कि चीजें बदलेगी और इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद अगर अभी भी हमारे गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में और ऑफिशियल्स के पास एक ज़मीर है, कॉन्शियंस है, और अगर हम अपने आप से सच कहने की ताकत रखते हैं, तो बहुत कुछ बदल सकता है. हालांकि किसी फिल्म ने आज तक कोई रेवोल्यूशन नहीं लाया है, लेकिन अगर कहीं कोई उठकर ये कहे कि नहीं, इस आदमी ने जिस तरीके से इन्होंने सफर किया है, जिस तरीके का संघर्ष इन्होंने किया है, दैट इज द मोस्ट अनफेयर थिंग दैट वी डू टू द फादर्स ऑफ दिस नेशन, अगर वो एक फीलिंग हम में आता है, तो आई थिंक दिस फिल्म इज डन इट्स जॉब.
But Anand, what did you see in Vinay Phatak that made you choose Vinay Phatak for Gaur Haridas?
I don't know what people don't see in him. Why don't you see beyond the image of an actor in India? Why do you feel that what he does on screen, or anybody for that matter, actor or actress, does on screen is what he or she is? I think I know Vinay as a thinking actor. And for me, a thinking actor is more important than the image that he portrays. And that is why I chose him, and am I glad I chose him? Because जब आप लोग फिल्म देखेंगे, believe you me, मैं ये exaggerate नहीं कर रहा हूं, अगर आप विनय पाठक को उस फिल्म में पहचानेंगे, तो मैं कुछ भी हारने के लिए तैयार हूं. Sorry, I'm being too dramatic. Yes? No more questions, my lord? Okay. Now we come to the most important part of this evening. We have to unveil the standee, and for that we have the wonderful 5 actors here with us. My producers will excuse me, my distributor will excuse me if I'm not calling them to unveil it. Yeah. So we have our actors today. So there are going to be 3 of them this side and 3 of them the other side. I'd like to call on Vinay, Ranveer, Vipin, Tanishta, Konkana. And what we'll just do is just roll this out and unveil the standee. So where would you like to be? Okay. When y'all are ready. Okay. Come. Vipin. Tanishta. अच्छा, thank you. We'll do a one-on-one with all the actors, whoever you want to be with. Thank you. Okay, all our friends, if you could just be seated for some time, there will be no photo op lost, I promise you. We'll give you all the photos we require. Can we just